Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn padding by applying of a CSS. How to apply like a padding and all you will learn one by one here. For specifically this session, padding means in a properties which we can use a particular box, some text we are going to be presenting. Inside the box, these text around the spaces like how to left, how to making right, how to top, how to bottom, in a center of position you can adjust the text very clearly as your wish. So how the padding will happens, with the help of padding properties you will make it either top, right, bottom, left. So let's see. Very simple example we'll take by using a div element with the text. So the body I'm adding div element. This is text is adjusted using like applying padding properties. Applying properties. Let's see. On plain, when we run it, it will be like this text is adjusted properties, correct? Nothing is displaying, plain black. So in CSS, I'm taking directly div. One more thing I would like to discuss here. Instead of class, instead of ID, directly you can use apply of writing of the property name of HTML element and open and end brace. Here also you can prepare your style information. So however, here you want to write something more information about the class, how we've written like a class ID information. The same way directly you can apply using the div tag. Let's see here how I'm taking. First I am applying a border for like this div element, border property colon, and here 1 px like a solid black, any color, BLACK, any color you may apply, you wish to apply. So the border I am applying here. Refresh. Just wait. Oh, this div element, where is the div? Sorry, it's a dir, it's came. I didn't have seen, and I haven't seen there. So check it very clearly. Yeah, div tag. So now save it. Check it, refresh. So the border is appeared here. Very clear. This is a text is adjusted. Now we are applying one by one this particular padding elements over here. So I can add this like background color also, like simply take blue, light blue. Light blue I'm taking here. Yeah, terminate. Save it. Yeah, refresh. So light blue, this is also applied. So very beautifully we have prepared with the border and light blue. Now I'm adjusting the size like a text. I can simply say that I'll take the padding property, which is top I'm taking property, and the value I'm choosing like 50 px. Like a px will tell you, like the px, what it will tell, like a padding in px with the length px, pt, cm, etc. Most of these options will be give you like pixels. It's nothing but pixels. So I'm using like around some 50 px I'm taking at top. Let's see, save it and refresh the page. So the top 50 I'm creating in a space. So now I'm going to adding like one more property of padding in CSS. Its a top is done. So I'm taking padding left. Yes, as your wish, left, right, anything you may take. Some around it's a left and right, no? So 30 px I'm taking for left, and similarly I'm taking for right also. padding, padding, right is done. Now it is left, like some around 50 px. And what is that? Another one, like a bottom, padding, bottom, it's like 40. I'm not taking like a particular fixing size. You try to apply as your wish. So these 4 properties are taken. So now see around the box. Wow. See, according to our size, the text is going to be displayed. So if you need any corrections or if you need any modifications of the text to be displayed, you just simply apply for this padding. So aligning of the text in a beautiful way, you will be around the box, you will control the data or presenting the text or presenting the image, anything in a clean way you can apply over there. Thank you. We'll catch you in next lecture with margins. Thank you.